How to fix Siri voice not working on iPhone. So here is what you need to do. First of all, let's do with the basic check. Make sure that you have this stable Wi-Fi network. Siri needs Wi-Fi or mobile data, so make sure you are connected. And the other one is, please make sure to check your iPhone volume. Press the volume up button to ensure the volume is not muted, and also check if you are in silent mode or not. Then all you have to do is open the settings app on your mobile device. Only tap on the settings app after you do the basic checks. Now scroll down and tap on the Apple Intelligence and Siri option available there. And once in there, you can see Talk to Siri option available. And all you have to do is simply tap on the Talk to Siri. Now once you tap on it, you will get to see if it is in off mode or Hey Siri or Siri mode. Now simply tap on it and tap on the continue option available there and choose the voice or accent and simply confirm your voice in order to enable the Siri on a device. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.